Hello friend, welcome to this channel. My name is Maverick from Work with Expert, and in this video I'm going to reveal to you how you can record better sound with your Android devices. Right, so now this video is going to be short and precise, and I'm going to review an application to you which you can use to record a better sound quality in case you want to do a video voiceover, or maybe you have a gig, you're a freelancer and you do voiceover for people, and you will need this application for you to be able to record better sound and do voiceover just with your Android device. Alright, so now make sure you watch this video till the end so that you can understand how it works. And if you enjoyed this video after watching it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also use 1 second to smash the subscribe button below because it is free and it motivates me to create more awesome videos like this just for you guys. So now to do this, all you need to do is to go on your App Store or your Play Store and download an application called RecForge. Alright, so now here's the application, and just type RecForge, and as you can see, here it is. Okay, so yeah, so here it is. It has 4.0 star review, and it has 1 million plus downloads. Alright, it's a very nice application that you can use to record your voice. Alright, so now once you install it, you click on open, and it's gonna open. Alright, now click on OK. So I already have some recorded stuff here. Alright, so but to use this application, all you have to do is just to tap on this button here. But normally, because you've not recorded anything, you will immediately see this record button. Alright, so if you want to record, you just tap on record and you'll be able to record. But currently I'm recording with my phone, so I will not be able to record easily. So let me just pause this video and record something for you, then you understand how it goes. Yep, so now I'm done recording, and here's the recorded file above. So let me just tap on it and play it for you. Okay, then click on play. Hello friend, welcome to this channel. My name is Maverick from Work with Expert. Alright, so it's done playing, and as you can see, you see that it's a very nice application. But let's say you want to cut, you want to edit some aspect like the beginning and the end. You see that it's, has some aspects that you do not want, maybe when you add it to your voiceover. Then what you have to do is just to cut those aspects away. Alright, now to do this, all you have to do is to drag it like this. Okay, you can see you drag it to the aspect that you want to cut away. Okay, and let's drag it up to this level. Okay, so let's drag it up to this level. Then I click here, I drag this one also. Okay, all right, so it's gonna cut all those aspects that are too long. All right, that are not talking, that those aspects that I did not start recording. All right, so I'm gonna crop out this area that I want. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the three dotted vertical line above. All right, then I'm gonna click on crop selection. Okay, I'm gonna click on this, so it will crop out the aspects that I want to. Let me just rename it. All right, new crop. Okay, so you're gonna see that it has cropped out that aspects that I really want. All right, so if I'm to play it now, I'm gonna start from here. Okay, hello friend, welcome to this channel. My name is Maverick from Work with Expert. Yep, so you see that it goes straight to the aspects that I really want. Right, all right, so that's how you can crop. And also, if you want to cut some aspects, maybe I just want to cut the middle here. I'm gonna use that as an example. Let's say there's this aspect I want to cut. Okay, let's say this is just an example. All right, so let's say this middle here, that I just want this middle here, I want to cut it out from this other videos. All right, I mean sorry, this other audio that I've recorded, this other audio, and I'm just gonna take it to the aspect I want to crop. I'm going to tap on this three dots with vertical line again, and I'm going to tap on cut selection. All right, so new copy there. All right, fine. So you see it will crop out that aspect. So let me play it for you. You see that the middle will not be there anymore, right? Hello friend, welcome to this Maverick from Work with Expert. Yeah, you see that the aspect that says my name is Maverick, and my name is, it's already cropped out. All right, so let me play it again so that we understand. Hello friend, welcome to this Maverick from Work with Expert. All right, so it already cut out my name is. All right. So that's how you can be able to cut and do some settings. All right, now there's some other settings which you can play with, like the concatenate or what they call it. So time stretching and sub stuff like that. All right, so you can just check them out, and but these are the main aspects that I use a lot, because to crop out aspects that I do not want, and cut out aspects that I do not want. All right, so take care of yourself, friend. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to smash the subscribe button below, because it is free and it motivates me to create more awesome videos like this just for you guys. All right, friend, bye.